All right, good evening, race fans, and happy Sunday evening. Well, it's a little chilly outside in Dallas. It's about 55 degrees, 50, 55, something like that. And yeah, I'm dirty. I'm wrapping up a hard day on Mission Apollo. We've been scaling, grinding, bead blasting, cutting out rot, all kinds of stuff, and we're about to call it a day and head for home. But we're in the fabled shop truck, Burford battle wagon. And let's see if we can get in there on it. 449,999. So let's see here. Everybody's going to be with us when we click over to the big 450. And those of you that follow along, you'll know that Burfa still gets used like a truck, a Chevy truck. We do deliveries, we haul stuff, we tow stuff. She even does commuter duty from time to time. And what better way, I figured, to have all of you guys with us as she clicks over 450,000. And that is all original, by the way. The motor has never been apart. Well, I take that back. It's been apart one time when I first got it at about 16,000 miles. We put a Corvette LS6 camshaft in it, and it's never been apart ever since. So that's 449,999. She's about to click over 450 any minute. I think we might hit 450 when we get up here to the stoplight. We'll find out. But you can see, well, we just fired her up. She's been sitting, so she's still cold, building up a little temperature. Still got good oil pressure. We owe that in part to K&N filters, motul oil. Up, there we go. The big 45000, 450,000 miles, and still rolling. Chevy trucks, y'all. Love my Silverado. Burford battle wagon.